One section that I found myself really missing today was the weather. So I'm going to go back to hacks and I'm going to search for weather. And I believe there's a simple weather card. Let's see if this is the one based on the picture. No, I don't like that. I want to see a clock weather card. That's not really my style. Weather radar card. Now that's pretty close to what I want to see. So I'm going to click download on this. I'll click reload. So to add the weather card, we're going to go to the new section and click add card. And we're going to start typing weather. And we're going to do the weather radar card. Data source, I'm going to use dark sky just because I miss dark sky. Map style, I'm going to see what Voyager looks like. Zoom level, is that an 8? And then we need our longitude and latitudes. And you can get that from Google Maps. And sorry for blurring here and not narrating. These buttons at the bottom are choosing the buttons that'll pop up on the bottom of the map once it loads. I like to show the zoom level, the marker, the scale, and the recenter button. We'll click save. Click done, hit refresh. So after filling out the personal info on the radar card, I'm not sure why it's not working, but I'm going to add another card here and I'm going to type forecast and get my weather forecast right under it. And I like my daily forecast for the week. And I'm going to do hourly with the show current weather and forecast, and we'll do hourly. And I think that's good enough for me here. And then I want this whole card on the right side. So I need to create another section. I'm going to click done for now. And I want to see if I can figure out why this radar is not working. So according to the forums, it just takes a minute. It'll be white until it's not, and it'll just work after that. I have a feeling it's got something to do with my browser or caching the data. I wanted to show you what the map looked like. For some reason, I didn't record it or I didn't have a section when it finally popped up. It did just finally load later that day. Figure it's some kind of API or cache thing. You can change the settings on how zoomed in or where you want your little dot to be, but I just like kind of having this little weather section. I've got the radar card, the hourly, and the daily. This is the most viewed part of Home Assistant for me is the dashboard. And living on the coast, I feel like the rain can just pop up at any time. It's a good way for me to keep an eye on it and make sure I'm not leaving something outside in the rain. Could there be an automation for that? Absolutely. But part of me just likes having my own personal weather center ready for me to check it out whenever I want. Hopefully this was somewhat informative. I'm going to really cover everything for my Home Assistant dashboard and automations. If this isn't for you, I apologize. If there's something you've been thinking about adding and didn't know how, I hope this gives you some ideas or at least kind of opens the door on how you can download your own personal favorite kind from Home Assistant Community Store. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.